Okay. So Patrick and I, we're out here running, and I swear to fucking God, man, we just saw a clown up over the suspension bridge, and I'm sort of freaking out about it. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck are you doing, man? It's 7:30 in the morning. Have you heard about all this shit? People are freaking out about this. Yo, does he have a fucking knife? Yo, Patrick, he has a knife. Dude, what the... What the fuck? What the fuck?